Hello, good day. Sorry, it's been a while since I last did my video. So I'm going to be doing a house plan in seconds using archicad. Okay, this is my home screen. Okay, well, if you want to I'm just going to draw one room. You have to click on the wall tool here. Okay, you zoom into the screen. You click the first point, the left click that is. Then you click here on this icon to change the reference. I want to draw it from the outside. Okay, if it's going to be 4 meters, I'm going to type in 4,000. Then I'll adjust it like that so that I have a 90-degree angle there. Okay, let's say it's 5 meters. I'm going to type in 5,000. Then I'm going to click enter. Okay, now I can just move to this point. Then need to have a reference line there and then click, or I'll do this instead. Okay, right here I'm going to type in 4,000, right? Then I'll click on the tab button, then I'll click in 90 degrees and enter. This you find handy when you are dealing with complex angles. Okay, then I'm going to click here. As you can see, the wall is done. I'm going to be adding a door. I'm going to click on the door icon. Okay, I'm going to place a door right there. Okay, then I'm going to click on a window. I'm going to add a window right there. Okay, then I'm going to click on the slab. Then I'm going to add a slab from that point to that point. Okay, I'm going to add a roof. Let me use this one. I'm going to click on that point. I'm going to end on that point. The roof has been added. You click escape, right click on the roof, click on CI tools here, go to roof coverings, then from there roof coverings. Then I'm going to click on OK. I think I'm done. Okay, let me see what I've been doing all this time. It's good. Let me click on the window. I'm going to reduce its height to 400. You will see in a bit why I get to do that. Okay, if I go to my elevations here, you see these are the levels. Control D to move. I'm going to move it a whole lot closer to the structure like that. Okay, I think you can see it clearly. The window level is about 2.4 meters. Okay, let me go to the south elevation so that you can see what I mean. Okay, my window level is at 2.4. This is the structure that we see. The reason why we use a software like archicad here is it's fully automated. It prepares some of the drawings for you. Like here, these are the wall schedules, these are the windows. We only have one window, if you remember. There it is. It's 2 by 1.5 meters. That is W1. It's only one window. That kind of information is the information that we get when we are doing this kind of thing. So that is why we use things like archicad. Okay, this was a short one. Different drawing. Okay, thank you for your time.